What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see by the title, we have the Air Jordan 5 White Metallics. Also, an early look at these shoes, so I'm very grateful for that. But before we get started, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my previous videos. I have the patent leather pack, I have the off-whites, I have the University Blue 11s. I have a lot of videos that I dropped, so if you haven't been catching up on those videos, make sure y'all go watch them. Also, still on the road to 10K subscribers. We're at about 2,000, so we're really trying to push and get those subscribers up. So make sure y'all keep sharing the page, and yeah, let's get started. So, as I said, we have the white metallics. This is the size tag. All right, so the box, have the trash bag paper. Also comes with a divider. In the box. So as you can see, very, very clean shoe. A lot of people say this is one of the cleanest Jordans ever. I mean, definitely. It's all white for the most part, but we have the white premium leather, that pebbled leather look. Materials are pretty good. We have white laces. Then we have a rubber tongue right here, rubber translucent tongue near the laces. Then we have this reflective tongue with a black embroidered Jumpman. On the inside of the tongue, we have Air Jordan in black. We have this clear lace lock here, which I like. I like the clear lace lock. On the side, we have this 23 on the lateral heel. This actually is like, the 23 is different from like the newer versions of the 5s or whatever. I think this 23 is like closest to the original shoe that dropped in 2000, not the latest pair. The last time they dropped was in 2015. So the 23 is different from the latest drop, the last drop of this shoe. So it's embroidered in like this off-white color and black. Then on the back, we have Nike Air in black, which is also a detail from the original white metallic that dropped in 2000. Doesn't have a Jumpman, it has a Nike Air on the back. We have the translucent quarter paneling. Then we have this silver metallic shark teeth. Also on the inside, right here. On the bottom, icy blue translucent sole and this white color on the bottom. Near the top, we have this black. It also says Nike, and then there's also a black Jumpman. Black at the top toe box area. These are releasing April 25th for the price of $220. For the price about $215, $220. I'm gonna show y'all the other shoe. They do come with a pair of laces, white laces, but it's the rope kind. So there's no other colors, just the white laces. Do y'all think they should have put a different color with these? I feel like if you're gonna give white laces, like it's not really needed, I guess. And then they're rope laces. I don't know if I would like rope laces on these 5s. I also think this is another shoe that should have been dropped before Easter. I said that about the patent leather pack. I said that about the University Blues. This is another shoe that I think should have dropped before Easter. Like, I don't think a lot of people wearing white around this time. So, I feel like it might be a flop on Nike. Honestly, I'm not really sure how these are gonna do. It's possible that they break. It's possibly that this is a shoe that like goes up and sells out in has some good resale value, but I don't know. Like, I really don't think that, I don't know. I really don't feel like it's gonna sell that well to me. Y'all already kind of know how I feel about white shoes. I feel like this is a nice, clean shoe, but probably not something that I would get. I just got the off-whites that are mostly white, so I probably wouldn't get another pair of white shoes, and I just got one. That's just me personally, but I don't think it's a bad cop. Like I said, I don't know if they'll sell out for real, but yeah. On another note, I did go to SneakerCon. Unfortunately, I was not able to record anything. I forgot the camera at the hotel room, so I wasn't able to record any good content. Also, it was very, very crowded. Like, there was so many people there, and there was other events going on as well. They had a lot of nice clothes, a lot of shoes, pricey shoes, a lot of good sneakers though. I was interested in finding some slides, but I think they were very overpriced. So that is my note on the whole SneakerCon thing. I did get a bag. I really wanted a bag. So this is one of the bags that I got. I also did sell a few pairs of shoes. So like 5 pairs of shoes. Honestly, like when we first got in there, they were asking about them. So we ended up selling them. So wasn't able to purchase anything. I honestly think a lot of the shoes were overpriced, and I wear a size 6, so there's not many options that I would like. And a lot of the shoes that are in my size are used shoes, and they're used to a point where it's like, it's no point in spending this much money for them. So that was my one thing. Like, I like SneakerCon. I think it's a great experience, but when you're going to SneakerCon and you're wearing a certain size shoe, it's not really like, you're not really gonna come up with anything. You're not gonna leave with too much stuff. That's all I'm saying. It's great for people that wear like a size 10, size 8 and up. But if you're wearing like size 7, 6, 5.5, 5s, not the best event for you to go and purchase anything, honestly. So I think that's something that should change at SneakerCon. Maybe next time I'll bring my closet of sneakers and see if there's other people that wear my size that might want some of my shoes. So maybe. I might go to the next SneakerCon, I might not. We'll just see. I'll definitely try and get some content if I do go to it next time. So y'all could just get like a feel of what SneakerCon is if you haven't experienced it for yourself. But yep, this pretty much wraps up the review. We just talked about the Air Jordan 5 white metallics. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail like